I had to start another video. That first video was getting too long.
Apparently it's like an alcohol. It's like 40 proof. It's just made from like fennel and like herbs.
What's that made from? What?
Like fennel and like herbs.
What is? I didn't miss the first part.
Ouzo. It's an alcohol.
Oh, ouzo?
Yeah, it's so strong for.
I didn't know it was made of fennel.
Yeah,
I looked it up.
I used to cook with fennel quite a bit.
Fennel's good for you.
I used to cook with that.
Why'd you stop?
I got busy in life, and then I didn't really cook all that exotic stuff anymore. What is prosecco? Oh, it's Italian.
I think that's also, yeah, it's alcohol. I don't know exactly what.
Oh,
that's alcohol. Whoops.
You know, I recently 100%ed the game Cellcraft on Congregate.
Wow. How long did that take you?
2 hours, according to my profile.
Nice.
I did that today, and that's why I went to bed at 8. I called my dad around 6:30.
Was he? I hope he was working today. Otherwise, I think he would appreciate being woke up at like 6:30 in the morning.
He was working.
I know I'm not like a.
Have you been to California's?
The game wasn't very hard. I didn't lose a single time, not even on the final level.
You must be really good at it.
Wow.
Well, that wasn't the first time I completed the whole game.
Camera modes.
Let's see.
I remember completing.
I've been to Crete. Wait, no, actually, I haven't.
I remember completing the game on another website prior to that. I think I first completed the game on Newgrounds or something. I'm not sure.
I've been to.
Okay, I think that I need to.
And it's not Crete, but it starts with.
Okay.
Let's see. Yes.
There we go. Oh, I gotta get you too. I gotta get you.
Wait, did you get a picture?
I did.
While I was talking?
I did.
Okay, I see it.
Those will be the first pictures in my camera.
Oh, can I see it?
Do you have all your stuff saved from your old phone?
I don't know, Tyler. They weren't able to activate my old phone, so I got this new phone. So I don't know. I am not sure about that.
And we have here agarides ouzo
And
and the spanakopina.
The ouzo is cool for you, right?
I believe so. So it's like an honest liqueur.
Okay.
So, and it all cooks off anyway.
Yeah,
Oh
yeah.
yeah, it's just liqueur. Oh, yummy.
That's how you ordered that one. I don't know what you're doing.
No, I wanted to at least try it.
Thank you.
Oh, I just want to try it, that's all.
Okay.
We're like, okay, let's try this.
It looks like they left the shells on.
That's okay. That's
Can you please pull it off? I can't
here. I have
do it with my camera.
Let's cut it off nicely, okay?
Okay, thanks.
Here, you gotta put this on your lap. Okay? That's what you do. When you're in a nice restaurant, you have to look. I think what you'll need to do, because yeah, we just cut it, Tyler. I don't think we can really, because otherwise it's going to go all over your hands.
Thanks.
So yeah, just cut it. You're really really, I want to.
Pretty delicious.
Because I can't have other ones. So.
Oh yeah, she can't have the other one first.
Okay, you mind if I move it over?
You can have some. We'll let you. We will allow that. What do you think?
Okay, let's see. How much should I cut off?
Here, do you need help?
Sure, thanks.
Oh, it's like a maple. So, Mateo got some. I don't know how much I really want anyway. So, is it good?
I enjoy it.
We're like, is it good?
Do you like the shrimp?
This is like, is it like a?
Shrimp is good.
Here, give me yours.
It's like phyllo dough with, I think, spinach and cheese.
Well,
and
that's
it
what
has
it
a
is.
sweet sauce.
What's It's like a really thin, super thin pastry, basically. There you go.
Oh, it comes with spinach, so it's healthy.
Same stuff that you used to make baklava.
Ah, I've had
I know.
baklava.
I was watching how to make that. Here's your knife. I don't know where to put that, so I don't totally dirty it. Little block.
I was very like.
What's that? What'd you say?
So that was really good.
Was it good?
I don't eat this, right?
You look deep in thought.
I'm deeply hungry.
You're deeply hungry. I'm sorry.
She misses it already.
She's like, wow.
And this is pretty good.
You like that color?
Mm-hmm.
So which one's really good?
I mean, they were very different. The one you can have is more like, decadent. Yeah.
It's sweet.
It's, it's cheese, spinach, phyllo dough, so which is like butter and stuff, but then it has like this pear something too.
And maple reduction.
You can probably buy that boxed. Like, they have that at Trader Joe's. I don't know. It's funny to people.
Oh, this?
I think you can eat.
This stuff?
Yeah.
I think that you can't eat.
Yeah.
Sorry, honey.
Yeah, my time with the ESWA introduced me to some sweet treats from Trader Joe's. I should probably do some more volunteering with them again. I just have to find.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Can I have a frappy, please?
Another one?
Yes,
Yeah.
please, if that's not too much.
Just one color.
Should probably save that one for the main course.
I don't want you being awake till. I want you'll be awake till noon tomorrow.
Awake until noon. I went to bed at 8 today. I slept early.
I want you guys to be able to enjoy the pool and do some things.
I've noticed it's gotten a little bit like murky.
The pool. I got back
How can I like do that, right?
Oh, you went in the pool recently, Brianna? I didn't
I
know.
want to get the water checked too.
I just saw it. It had like a green like shine to it.
Does anyone want this piece?
Maybe Mateo might want that.
You can have it, Mateo.
Oh,
There's
Tyler?
Mateo. You got tons of stuff.
Oh, yeah, what did you order?
He doesn't often probably
I don't know, I
lately
feel like-
get food that is ethnically familiar to him.
That's
Yeah,
true.
I-
I didn't go to Cyprus this year either. For the first time in a while.
You didn't go to Cyprus?
Yeah, I have family up there, so I usually go every summer, but this year we didn't go.
Well, what happened?
Because now he has a
Huh?
woman.
No, my dad would have made me go if that was the reason.
Yeah.
Nice.
It was just really it's really expensive to go there. So
It must be. Holy smokes.
Iceland though.
no, Iceland is like significantly cheaper. Like my dad and Patty are going, and for round trip is like about the cost of one ticket, like one way,
Wow.
which is like incredible.
Well, what about Norway?
Not sure.
Haven't gone there.
I currently feel that Norway is the most progressive country. Am I right in thinking that?
I don't know.
I don't know.
If there is a more progressive country, I don't sure know it.
That's okay.
You mind if I have some of that sauce?
No, fam.
Tyler's like,
What?
Nah, you didn't order this.
yeah, we're not hungry at all. We're like, just eating like the sauce with our spoon.
Is it okay or?
No, fam.
I don't know what that means.
It's short for family.
Fam, what are you doing?
Looks good. All right.
No, you made me. Why did you call me fam?
Family. Family.
Ty, you got one spoonful.
What?
Get out of here.
What? Oh. Well, the sauce is good.
You didn't use that spoon for your thing, right?
But you have to race them for it.
No, I'll use.
That's for sure.
You use the same spoon that you ate the.
Oops. Sorry, I'll use this spoon now. I didn't. Sorry. It was an mistake.
It's all yours now, Ty. It's fine.
Sorry. I didn't mean to do that. Sorry. Did you get plenty of sauce?
Yeah, I did.
Okay.
There's a little tomato on here. Thank you, God.
Sorry.
Let's see. Allow location information stored. Seems like
That sauce, like, it threw me back to what pasta was like. I got scared. I was like,
it brought
this
you
would be
back to
really
what
good.
pasta is like.
Yeah, I was like, this would be really good with pasta. I was like, that's bad.
How you guys looking for pasta? Good pasta.
Swipe up to see more info about this picture.
About
I
what?
don't see any other info about this picture.
Wait, can I see the picture?
Oh no!
Look at me. Look at wait. Like, can I see me?
You look so interested.
No, I look terrified.
I'm like mid blink. No, stop it. Don't
I
ever.
look terrified. Mateo, look at me. My eyes look good.
What about you? You look totally ordinary.
No, I look gross.
Thank you.
Oh, Tyler got such a nice picture.
We didn't even see it.
Wait, do you want me to try again?
No, it's okay.
I can try again.
He never wants his picture taken.
That's not-
Why?
no, you always want our picture taken.
I know. Oh, sorry, does that sound bad?
No.
What did you say?
You do like your picture.
Only when I have my makeup on.
That's not true.
Well, good, let's take a few more of you now. You look nice though, honey. You can see you look nice and natural. Okay, guys, get together.
Oh no.
So
You look nice, Brianna. You don't need makeup.
You don't even need
I'm so
makeup.
tired.
I'm so tired. Oh, she's keeping you awake. I don't know what I did. I think you're recording. Oh, I'm recording.
No. We're on video now. I mean,
You-
hopefully my ex sees this.
You don't
Wanna
need
take a picture
makeup.
this time so instead of a video. I accidentally hit the thing.
It was
Alright,
a video?
Yeah, I accidentally took a video.
I did that on the Ferris wheel.
I didn't mean to. But, oh, you actually took a video on the Ferris wheel?
Yes. I hit the wrong button
Oh.
on the camera app.
Okay, now you look forward. Okay.
Oh.
I'll take a photo. There we go. Alright. Now that I'm figuring out how to operate this phone.
Oh yeah, Ty, have you eaten all day?
No.
Oh my god, I think you have sauce in your eyebrow.
How on earth would I get sauce in my eyebrow?
Question, but it was there. You got it.
Not too loud though, okay? You're okay.
How did that happen? every time we go out, every time I hang out with Mateo, it's always a funny time.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
There's always some laughs to be
There's
had.
always some laughs to be had, right?
He makes you nervous.
Oh, man, this tablecloth is looking pretty sad though. We pretty much.
We made
Are you
it
gonna
cleaner.
Use that spoon again?
Summer.
I should probably use it again, maybe.
I'm thinking we
How
should
you
go
ate the
like
leaf?
this.
I ate one of the
How
leaves.
was it?
Wow, Ty.
Not so good.
You
I don't-
believe?
I don't like it
I
when
don't think they recommend eating a leaf. I think it's just for a garnish.
I don't really like it when restaurants do that. I prefer being able to eat every part of the food.
I agree, Tyler.
That's okay. It's supposed to make it look nicer.
Oh.
Wait, Tyler, what charity work did you do? You were talking about EW something?
Yeah, I canvassed with them. Knocked, rang doorbells, knocked on doors, and then there was some phone banking.
For what group? What does it stand for?
The ESWA, Eastern Service Workers Area, I think.
Nice.
I could be wrong. Wait, it's the A doesn't stand for area; it stands for association. Eastern Service Workers Association, I believe. I should probably volunteer with them again.
You probably should.
Mateo made his own charity in middle school.
What's the name of the charity?
Backpacks for Better.
Backpacks for who?
Backpacks for Better.
Maybe I should make
to do a project where like we had to donate to our own charity or make our own charity, and so it's just like a small local thing where they fill like kids who can't afford school lunches and fills their backpacks with food like discreetly, so it's not embarrassing for them.
That's nice. That's very nice.
Yeah, maybe I should make a charity of my own.
It's be a nice thing to do.
Would it be a charity if it was called Blue Wave 2018?
What happens what happens next year?
What?
What happens next year when it's not 2018 anymore?
Blue Wave 2020, when we take the White House.
Oh.
Why is it called Blue Wave?
Because a lot of Democrats are going to win in November. You can tell. We've got statistics on our side. We've got the people on our side. We have the
We
momentum.
actually, I guess I'm out of the basil balsamic, so I brought you Greek dressing.
Oh,
Hopefully
thank you.
everybody can tell those apart.
Oh,
we've
wonderful.
got
Thank you.
one there
Thank
for
you
you
so
next.
much.
You're very welcome, and I can get these things out of your
Thank
way.
you.
There's another frappe, or should be somewhere.
Thank you.
Double check on that for you.
So, is just like...
And some more
That's
water
the
for you
green.
folks also.
Yes, please. Thank you.
You're very welcome.
Oh, is that like ranch?
I gotta have water. Water is healthy.
What sauce did you ask for? Yeah, this
It's
year.
ranch.
Oh, 'cause I'm like,
Is Greek dressing like safe? Like what is
what's that?
I would assume so.
It should be, honey. I don't think there's any gluten in it. You should be.
I'm glad I didn't get a salad. I prefer soups over salads usually.
Yeah, you didn't get like a salad with your thing, huh? Because yours is like a burger, right?
Yeah. I got a burger.
Oh, this is.
Gyro lamb burger.
That'll be good.
you understand this?
What's that?
I can like pick out words every now and then.
Translate for me. Is it a romantic song?
Isn't there like a, what is it like the Greek, is it the Acropolis or is that Rome?
No, that's Greek.
Okay. I love that. Have you ever been there?
Mhm.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, that's like the temple of the gods. Yeah.
Ooh,
I should forget where it is.
cool.
How's your salad, Brianna? It's good? That's good.
Oh, yeah, we have that big book. Don't you have a big book on Greek mythology that your dad got you?
Yeah, I
It's
think
mine.
so.
Yeah, you got me it for Christmas.
Oh,
Like in like
you should show
2016.
that to like Mateo if you know what it is.
It's in my bookshelf. Yeah.
That's cool.
He took a class on like Greek mythology.
Yeah, freshman. I thought it was gonna be an easy course, but
It was not
it was
easy.
not.
Really?
You do a lot of
I mean,
writing.
my teacher was kind of not a jerk, but like his grading was not fair. Like I was talking with this one kid, our friend Trey, he was complaining about this teacher, and he was just like, and I didn't know who he was talking about. He was just like, yeah, it just seems like no matter what I write, I always get the same grade, and it's like he grades it off of what he wants to see, not the content itself. And I'm just like, wow, that sounds like Daniel Curley, and he's like, that's who it is. like that's exactly like every single paper I wrote, I just got a B, and like for one assignment, like we had to take what we learned from reading all the myths and like apply it to like creating our own original myth. And he legit just like told me to. He's like, you should change the ending to this. Like, I'm just like, oh, okay. Why don't you write it and give me a grade for it?
Wait, he did what?
Huh?
Wait, what did you do? He read it and gave you a grade?
No, I said, why don't you write it and give me a grade for it?
Oh, wow.
But no, yeah, I just changed it. It gave me like an extra, like moved me to a B plus or something. My test grade was actually carrying, which is it's never fun.
Oh, your test grade was carrying?
Raspberry vinaigrette? Yeah.
No, what do you think the best dressing for a salad is? Do you think it might be ranch?
I kind of like kettle. I like French. It's probably not the most healthy dressing, but that's what I like.
Huh. I don't think I've had that one before.
I'll be right back with a statement for you. Some more water. Is there anything else I can get right now?
What about you?
For now?
Balsamic. I mean, I'm kind of eating this mostly without dressing, so vinaigrettes are good. Like raspberry vinaigrette is a good one.
Yeah, the hotel's not open yet.
Huh?
The hotel's not open yet.
Oh, when is it open?
It's not gonna open. Thank you.
Thank
No
you.
problem.
It's not gonna open till like the end of July, like July 30th or something. Grandma said we could drive down there. Maybe Carrie could let us in there to look around before it opens officially. But that's up to you. I know you have a lot of things you want to do, so.
We go to the Aquarium Museum of Glass or something.
And the Renaissance Fair?
I don't know. That's too late. We gotta figure out when we can do that.
I don't think Dad wants to do it.
No.
No, it's nearly 7.
That's okay.
Yeah.
What do you mean?
I was just noting the time.
Oh. I was gonna say, they said they start getting busier on Sunday, so we didn't need a reservation before that, that's all. Is that why you were mentioning the 7 o'clock hour?
No, I just saw the time on your phone and just felt like mentioning the time.
Did you not get any dressing because of that?
Oh, I think I didn't.
I could have moved it towards it.
I know, but I prefer to live on the edge. Wow. Is there like coloring in raspberry vinaigrette?
I'm not sure. It's possible.
You do?
Tastes good.
Kind of sounds like the Egyptian music I'd listen to in my intro music class.
There's
Like,
definitely,
Oh,
there's definitely
really?
similarities.
Yeah, but
Does it emphasize poeticism?
Like Egypt's like an hour away by plane from Greece.
Wow.
How far away is Egypt by plane from here?
It's probably pretty far.
Yeah, I'd imagine it's probably like 11 or 12 hours. Actually, I mean, I'm not sure. I usually go to Cyprus and I have to take a 7-hour plane and then a 5-hour plane
To get to Egypt?
to get to
To
Cyprus, which is near Greece, which is near Egypt, but I don't know exactly how.
Oh, I thought Cyprus was in Greece. It's not?
It's a Greek island, but it's not on the mainland.
Oh, that's right. Okay. It comes back to me now.
Oh, this is like a radio station. Is this like a radio station, or is he just announcing?
I imagine it's a radio station.
Oh, there's a radio station in the college I currently go to. I believe it's called The Point.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, I believe it's called The Point. 98.8 The Point, I think. I'm not sure of the number, but I'm pretty sure it's called The Point. It's gotta be 98 something. I'm just not sure about the point number after it. I'm sure of the name The Point, and I'm pretty sure that it's got a 98 in the number, but that 10th place number, I'm just not sure about. It could be a 9, an 8, a 1, but I'm most confident on the 8 theory. That the 10th place number is most likely an 8. Also, I'm shaking the phone a bit, but it's been causing a bit of shaky cam.
Caffeine jitters.
Really? That's just from one frappuccino. I don't think I did that even when I went to Rob's Grease Hots and had a total of 3 energy drinks. 3 Rockstar.
Wow.
I actually felt jittery walking back home from that. And a member of the staff asked what planet I was from because I got a double order.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Double order of what?
I believe I first got a plate and then got a fish fry.
Oh,
Because it was Friday, and I wanted to try. Yes, I ate it all.
Oh my gosh, Tyler.
It's impressive.
Mommy's concerned.
And I have it all on video.
Wait, a plate? Is it a garbage plate?
Yes.
Oh my god. Where was this?
Rob's Grease Hots.
Grease Hots? That stuff's so gigantic, Ty. Oh
What?
my god. I barely was ever able to finish a garbage plate by myself.
Oh my god.
You have to take me somewhere to get a garbage plate.
Grease Hots is good, but Nick Tahoe's is the original garbage plate.
We gotta go there too.
I've only ever been to Grease Hots to get a garbage plate, I think.
You want to
That's
go
all I
to
recall.
Nick Tahoe's?
I've
You
never
could
been
probably
to-
eat a lot of that.
No, I'm not going to, but I will
could, though.
witness him.
I just mean you probably could.
No,
It's burgers.
it's mac salad and potato fries.
Yeah, but you don't have to get mac salad on it.
Say, aren't there hot garbage plate places we haven't been to? I haven't been to yet.
I don't think so.
I'm sure I could find one if I looked
Maybe
hard
we should ever
enough.
go to-
Well, we gotta take Mateo to the original.
Oh, you
Nick
think you should go to Nick Tahoe? Do they have a good one?
Just your
Do they
original.
have good ones?
What do you mean?
Like, I feel like Grease Hots is always better.
Oh.
Even though I've never had Nick Tahoe's. I haven't had
Yeah, well, he's in Rochester.
Well, one thing's for sure, Nick Tahoe's may be the original, but they're not the best place.
You don't think they're the best? Who's
No.
the best?
Which one's
You
the
don't think
best?
so?
He's gonna say Grease Hots.
Grease Hots? Well, maybe that's the best I can think of on my head right now, but I've been to a lot of garbage plate places. There's
Oh, really?
Spencerport Hots,
Oh, yeah.
West Side Hots, I
Love
believe, Harbor Hots.
Do
I'll
they
have to check and
do
see
they
if
have
we've been there.
Garbage places?
What are you looking at?
Harbor Hots. He's
I believe my
always-
dad
Oh,
might
Grease
have taken me
Hots,
there,
Spencerport
but I'll
Hots,
have
what
to
about
search.
Harbor Hots? Do they
Yeah,
have
it's right
garbage
there.
plates?
Are there any garbage plate? I'm sure there's got to be garbage plate places outside of Rochester.
I've never heard of it until Brianna told me about it.
A garbage plate?
Yeah. Yeah, she had the same reaction.
Wow!
I was like, excuse me?
Wow. Wait, but you don't like mac salad.
I don't like mac salad, but I like everything else that you said comes with
Oh.
it.
You just don't get mac salad on it.
It's
You
just
don't
gonna
get mac
be
salad.
a burger and fries. That's
I'll take the combination. I'm sure it's better.
Oh, what's wrong with the mac salad?
I'm just not a fan. I think I had like a traumatic childhood experience with it, mistaking it for mac and cheese.
Kind of like how you mistake an oatmeal raisin cookie for a chocolate chip.
Precisely.
Ah.
Like, it's not bad, it's just you're expecting something else and the shock is too much. No, I'm just not a fan of it even now. Like the taste.
I don't eat too much macaroni salad either, really.
It's kind of like the coleslaw of pasta.
The coleslaw pasta.
Kind of like how relish is... Kind of like how it's the relish of condiments.
Yeah.
And that they all kind of have similar tastes.
That's funny.
Kind of full, kind of not full.
They're kind of full.
No. You're just not starving anymore.
Not a salad.
We're
And I have
And
like
two
4
shrimps.
small portions.
That's sometimes I think you don't need all the potential.
Now, doesn't caffeine have a half-life of 6 hours?
Beats me. I think it really depends on how sensitive your body is to it.
By the time I drink like 2 cups of coffee, you know.
I know it like, yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, I really thought this one up. I was like, well,
Yeah, it depends on your
I
metabolism.
lied to the freaking hospital. I was like, I had 6 cups of coffee.
But how many
Why did you tell me?
2.
Why did you
I didn't want to seem crazy. I was like, I had 6 cups.
You never lied your doctor.
I did.
I would have told him the truth.
For real.
No, I think I lied to the EMT people.
What if they like wanted to do something drastic because you said you had 6 cups of coffee?
Wait, you said you had 6 cups of coffee when you only had 2?
What if you had something seriously going on?
Yeah,
They would have
exactly.
just thought, oh, she had 6 cups of coffee.
Exactly.
That explains her symptoms.
Oh, you're fine. Like, you're
So,
just crazy. That's 6
you know what I
cups of
mean?
coffee.
No,
You just shouldn't have had a
I
reaction
didn't
like that.
want.
You don't
I
die
didn't